Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, being Louisa. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing of my brand new iPad Pro. I literally just got it like 5 minutes ago. I wiped it down first, then went and washed my hands and everything, and yeah, I'm so excited. I've waited over a week for this because I ordered this on a Friday. It's now a Monday, but it was like a week ago. I actually also ordered the Apple Pencil, so I ordered this Friday a week and a bit ago. The pencil got to my delivery office on the Monday. I'm there backed up, so I didn't get it until the Wednesday. But anyway, so I'm super excited. I've always wanted an iPad from before I got my MacBook, and I got my MacBook about 4.5 years ago, right before I went back into college and then to uni. That's why I got the laptop instead of an iPad. But now I finally have an iPad. I'm going to be doing all of my university work on here since we're now working from home. Because of COVID and quarantine. I hope you guys are staying safe. Like literally, I'm only going out for food, but I've been on bed rest for 3 weeks anyway because I have a knee injury. So I've really been stuck in this house and I've had no motivation. So hopefully this will motivate me to do my work right before we go back onto placement, because placement has changed, guys. Anyway, so if you guys are more interested in this than the story, I'll put a timestamp here telling you where to go for the unboxing. But I quickly wanted to tell you the story about this. So I waited a week and 3 days for this to come, and I've been waiting all day for it to come. And then the guy, you know, because of the coronavirus, they're not like making you sign stuff. He left it at the door, and luckily I was really eager, so I was already there. And he left the wrong package at the door. He left an ASOS package at my door. I cried. I really was like, what the heck? And I ran after him. I was like, this is not mine. It's from a different house. Like, that's not mine. So he literally had to spend 5 minutes searching his van, and he finally found it. And I was like, praise the Lord, thank you. And I just gave it back to him, the ASOS package, and I got my iPad. But yeah, so that was the drama for this today. So now I can finally open them all, and I've got some accessories as well that I'll be showing you. But anyway, let's skip on over to my desk and start the unboxing. And I have the iPad here. I have my wireless keyboard, which I got a couple of days ago, and then the Apple Pencil. So let's start. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope this setup is okay, you guys can hear me. But we're testing something else. So I actually got the 11-inch iPad in space grey, and it's 256GB of memory. So I'm super excited, and let's start. Alright. Alright, pull this off. Ah, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love this already. Oh, I'm in awe. Alright, let's take this off. I've seen it's like a real struggle to get this off on YouTube. Let's see. One side's coming off. There we go. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Let's pop that here. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Oh my gosh. Ah! This is so gorgeous. It's so, oh my gosh, it's so thin. Look how thin that is. I don't even know if I mentioned this, but I got the 2020 version of the iPad Pro. So this is the 2nd generation in the 11-inch. And oh, how funny is this? My best friend decided to get an iPad as well, and she got the 12.9-inch. So once quarantine's over, we can meet up and compare the size difference as well, which will be fun. This is so sleek. I love the space grey. I've never gotten a space grey product from Apple. I always get like the pink / rose gold. This looks so nice. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to open it. Okay, we're gonna pop this up here and let's open the rest. So designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's in here. So we got the quick starter guide. Perfect. Got some warranty stuff, and then the Apple stickers. I never use these, but I love these. But yeah, put that to the side. Now we have the 3-pin plug, because I am from the UK. I love this thing because I've got it in my Apple Watch. How fun is that? And it's USB-C there. And of course, the wire is USB-C as well. USB-C to USB-C, which I've never had a USB-C anything before. So this is gonna be interesting. Let's pop those back in. Actually, since we're on the topic, I did also get a USB-C hub on Amazon. So the USB-C there, and then it has 2 regular USB slots, a HDMI, which is 4K compatible, and an SD card, which was why I really got it. It was for the SD card, to be honest with you, so I can edit my videos. Should I unbox this? No, let's leave this here actually. We'll quickly get onto the pencil, the Apple Pencil. I've had this for a couple days now and I still haven't opened it. I was literally waiting for you guys, so you're welcome. I love Apple packaging. Like seriously guys, if you guys have seen some of my, well, I think I've done like 1 or 2 failed attempts of an unboxing video before, and I would always cut myself trying to unbox stuff. It was a hazard for me. But anyway, there's a tab on the side here, so you just got to pull it, and voila. It's actually upside down. Designed by Apple in California again, so let's open that up. And here it is. Look how beautiful that is. It looks like a pencil. I love it. I did go to the Apple stores before they all got closed down and feel the difference between this Apple Pencil and the first generation, and I definitely did prefer the second generation pencil, which is this one. Let's take off this. Oh wow, it is such a weird feeling. I don't know how to describe it. You can see a little Apple logo there with Apple Pencil. It's like, oh, I love how weighted it is. I love that. It's because I know me and I know I tend to like ruin things. I actually do have some silicone sleeves for this, so let me quickly show you that. So I got this from Amazon, and I got the black and the midnight blue / navy. All right, back to the goods. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I want to touch it, but I don't, but I do, but I don't. Before I get started on the iPad, let me quickly show you the case that I got. So this is the case that I got. Originally when I got it, me and my mum both actually agreed, both like the colour, which is very rare for us to like the same thing. But when it came, it's a weird colour. Like, it was not the pink we were expecting. It's more like a, I don't know, salmony, peachy type colour, and the front is trying to be like rose gold. It's really weird, but whatever, we're gonna make it work because I paid for it. So I think I'm gonna test out the iPad without anything on it, because I also do have a matte screen protector, but I want to see what it's like first, just working on the iPad without anything on it and with just Apple Pencil, and then I will put the screen protector on because I do still want to save my screen. But anyway, let's just get into this. Sorry it's taken so long. All right, ready? This is the space gray, as you can see. Oh, that looks beautiful. Let's take it off. Oh my gosh, I'm touching it. Oh no, I've got fingerprints on it already. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? All right, I'm holding it down. There's juice, it's turning on. Sorry you can see my ring light, I just need the light. It's a grey day today in London. All right, I'm gonna quickly take you through the setup. Hello, swipe up, English, United Kingdom. It's so fun. I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi part, just to let you know, because I do not want you guys see my Wi-Fi once it comes up. But anyway, so quick start. Nope, I'm actually going to set this up manually because I want this to be completely separate from my laptop and my phone, if that's possible. All right, so I just set up my Wi-Fi. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. This is so exciting, guys. I've never had an iPad, so I'm in love already. Okay, Face ID. So let's set that up. All right, you guys won't be able to see this part, so I've got to do it on my face, obviously. Oh, you can see my double chin. First scan complete, second one, second scan complete. Boom, Face ID is set up. This is my first product with Face ID. Do I need a password? Ugh, let's do a passcode. You have all these options like restore from iCloud, Mac or PC, Android, but I don't want to transfer anything over, so don't transfer apps and data. Now I'm going to log into Apple ID. One moment, please. All right, so agree to terms and conditions. It's setting it all up. This is so exciting, guys. I'm like, cannot wait. I'm so excited. So as this sets up, just want to like quickly run through it all. So here is a magnetic strip to connect and charge your Apple Pencil. There is the up and down volume. Up here is the lock button. You've got 2 speakers up here, and there's also 2 microphones right there. On this side, there is nothing but a microphone. And then on this side, there are 2 more speakers and also the USB-C charging port. At the back is the magnetic connector, which you can see there, the magnetic connector right there. And that is kind of everything on the iPad. And then obviously the 2 cameras and the LiDAR sensor and the flash. But yeah, and also the iPad can be held in any angle and it will work either way. There technically is no up or down, but obviously there is an up because that's where the button is. But anyway, keep your iPad up to date. Location services. All right, Apple Pay. I don't need it on my iPad because this is for work. Siri, again, I don't need Siri, I can type. So no thank you. Screen time, again, I don't need screen time, I'm not a kid. iPad analytics. All right, so True Tone. I never really understand True Tone. Let's see it. Without, oh, okay, it's okay. I don't know if you can see the difference, but that's like really blue without True Tone, and that's it with True Tone. So it changes to the ambience of the room. Continue. Appearance, light mode or dark mode. I could not live with dark mode. I know it might make me seem weird because everyone else loves it, but no, I'm a light mode kind of girl. So it now just runs through all the new shortcuts because obviously there's no home button. So to go home, you swipe up. Quick access to docs, you just swipe and hold and you get to your other apps that's on your docs. To switch between all your apps that you've recently opened, that's what you do. Quick access to get all the features that you have on your phone. Welcome to iPad. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. Swipe up. There it is. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, I'm so happy. So that's the iPad. Now let's connect the Apple Pencil. So get the flat side, pop it right next to it. That was so strong, that magnet, that's crazy. And then as you can see, an Apple Pencil came up there just to show it was connected. Welcome to Apple Pencil, and tells you how to use it. Continue. So it's telling you to double tap, you can change between pen and eraser. Perfect. So is that already on? Yeah, because the white Bluetooth's on. Let's see, does this work now? That was so quick and connected, I love it. Hello. Alright, so that is my iPad. I'm now going to set it up and play with it, and I might check back in to let you know how I feel, but otherwise that has been my unboxing of the new iPad Pro 2020 and also of the second generation Apple Pencil. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and until next time, keep on being you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions or suggestions, and do not forget to subscribe to get weekly updates. Bye y'all!
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long